My name is Lillian Chao-Quinlan. I'm the president for Sportrock Climbing Centers, located just out of Washington, D.C. As a climber, I've been climbing for 20 years. I've been in the industry as a president and owner of the company for 15 years. My style of leadership has really changed over 15 years. And I think it is about growing leaders, and to be a good leader is not about having good followers. And I've seen the power of that. It's about learning from your team and realizing that their skill set is actually stronger and more diverse than your own. So to actually appreciate that and continue to develop that, and then be able to be humble enough to step aside and let them lead the company, as long as you have a shared vision and they understand what the company is about and they can carry on what your vision is. I found so many things valuable in WICS. I think first is to meet people from all over the world, and people who share the same passion and love for climbing and operating and owning gyms, and also meeting new owners and new operators for climbing gyms. It's very organic, and you could see like a discussion about the future of climbing is so limitless that it just could keep going, and it does keep going. And that's the beauty of WICS, is that as soon as the session is over, everybody's talking in little pockets about the same topic. And I think that's what was magical about people who are leading the industry, to continue conversations on a smaller scale with each other. I think to be able to get your customers to be part of your community and be wanting to come to your gym is to be very clear about what your company is. You know, are you a climbing gym built by climbers for climbers, or are you a place for who's your audience? And I think that once you're clear about that, and you can make sure that you have put the people, the processes, the facility, setting everything up so that when a customer comes in, they're clear about what they're getting themselves into. And I think for climbing, it's an experience. So, and it starts, sometimes they're measurable and sometimes they're just not measurable parts of your company that makes them want to continue to come back. So I think programming is very important. What you offer people from all abilities, whether they're a beginner or whether they're an advanced climber, or whether they're a child or an elderly climber, or whether they're a disabled climber, you have something for everyone in your facility.